Have you ever wished your skincare routine felt more like self-care and less like a checklist? What if I told you that one of the most effective, all-natural facial treatments involves something you probably already have in your kitchen? No expensive spa appointments, no fancy gadgets, just your fingertips and honey. Today, we're diving deep into the ancient yet trending wellness technique of honey facial tapping, a gentle, powerful ritual that detoxifies your skin, boosts circulation, and connects you to a slower, more mindful kind of beauty. Spoiler alert, this isn't your average face mask. This is skincare with intention. So, what exactly is honey facial tapping? It's a hybrid skincare ritual that combines two powerful practices, the natural healing and hydrating properties of raw honey and the rhythmic stimulation of facial tapping, also known as light percussive massage. Together, they create a sensory experience that nourishes not only your skin, but also your nervous system. It's skincare meets mindfulness, beauty meets biohacking. This technique has roots in both ancient holistic healing and modern self-care practices. It's especially popular in Eastern European and Ayurvedic beauty rituals, but it's finally getting the attention it deserves in wellness circles worldwide. Let's pause for a moment. Honey on your face? Really? Yes, really, but not just any honey. You want to use raw organic honey, or even better, manuka honey if you can get it. These types of honey are rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties. What makes honey magical for skin? It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture deep into the skin. It's antimicrobial, making it perfect for acne-prone or inflamed skin. And it contains glucose oxidase, an enzyme that produces hydrogen peroxide, gently cleansing without stripping your natural oils. So you're not just slathering honey on your face, you're applying a living, healing substance that works with your skin, not against it. Now let's talk about the second part, tapping. Facial tapping is a rhythmic, gentle patting of the skin using your fingertips. Think of it like a facial wake-up call. It stimulates blood flow, lymphatic drainage, collagen production, and nervous system regulation. Tapping helps move stagnant energy, releases muscle tension, and tones the skin. When combined with the stickiness of honey, it creates a unique pulling effect that gives a subtle exfoliation and deep pore cleansing effect, without the need for harsh scrubs or chemicals. And here's the kicker. The sticky resistance from the honey actually makes your facial muscles engage slightly. That's passive toning, just by tapping. Let's get practical. Here's how to do it. Start with clean skin. Gently cleanse your face and pat it dry. No need for a full routine yet, just a clean slate. Apply a thin layer of honey. Use about a teaspoon of raw honey and apply a light, even layer across your face. Avoid the eyes and mouth. Begin tapping. Using your fingertips, not your palms, start tapping gently but quickly across your face. Start at the chin and move upward toward your cheeks, nose, and forehead. Don't forget your neck. Feel the pull. After about a minute, the honey will begin to feel stickier. This is where the magic happens. The subtle suction created by the tapping motion lifts impurities from the skin. Tap for 3 to 5 minutes. Stay present. This is a sensory experience. Feel your skin responding. Take deep breaths. Let it be meditative. Rinse with warm water. Use a soft cloth if needed. The honey will melt off easily. You'll be left with a soft, plump, glowing complexion. Seal it in. Follow up with a lightweight serum or moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. Let's break the scroll here, because this is more than just skincare. This is ritual. When was the last time you touched your skin with kindness? When was the last time your skincare wasn't about fixing, but about feeling? Honey facial tapping is a chance to slow down, to check in, to honor your face as more than a canvas for products. Wellness doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's as simple as your breath, your fingers, and a jar of honey. Benefits you'll notice. After just one session, many people report noticeable benefits such as a visible glow, smoother and softer skin texture, reduced inflammation or redness, and a subtle toning or lifting effect, particularly around the jawline and cheekbones. When practiced once or twice a week over the long term, honey tapping may help minimize breakouts, improve skin elasticity, brighten areas of hyperpigmentation, support collagen production, and calm both stressed skin and a stressed nervous system. Beyond its physical benefits, it offers an incredibly grounding experience, and in a world that moves at lightning speed, that sense of grounding is truly invaluable. As beneficial and beautiful as honey tapping can be, it's not suitable for everyone. You should avoid it if you're allergic to honey, bees, or pollen. Those with very sensitive skin or rosacea should proceed with caution and test a small area first. If you're using retinoids or strong exfoliants, it's best to alternate your days to avoid overstimulating the skin. When in doubt, always patch test or consult a dermatologist before incorporating it into your routine. Here's the real takeaway. Skincare can be sacred. Honey facial tapping reminds us that beauty isn't always found in bottles. Sometimes it's found in slowing down, tuning in, and nourishing the skin you're in. So, the next time your skin feels tired, dull, or just needs some love, skip the store. Open your pantry, tap into nature, and try this simple ritual. You might just find that the glow you were chasing was always within reach.